So now we're gonna make this really cute little choker, which is a great project for a little girl for spring. I'm gonna start with this ribbon. It's really unique. It's embossed, it's polyester and embossed, but it has kind of almost a thick tissue paper feel, but I really like it, which is why we're carrying it on our Bowdabra website now. So I'm going to just cut a strip, and what I did here is I just measured 5 dots over. So I'm just gonna cut my strip, and actually now I have a strip already cut, so I'm just gonna put this aside. And this ribbon, just as an FYI, it comes in it's 6 inches wide and it's 3 yards long. So you get a lot of it, and it's really funky. I really like it. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I have this cute little button, and I'm just gonna feed one end of my wire through the button. I'm gonna fold my wire in half and just lay it here and just kind of tuck it under. But I cut my wire longer so the button would tuck under and stay out of my way. Now I'm going to take the right side up, and so now the wrong side's gonna be down here, but I have the right side here. So I'm just going to scrunch this down into my mini. Then I'm gonna come back over here, and I'm gonna just scrunch this down into my mini Bowdabra. And then I'm gonna take the center, and I'm just gonna do our little mountain up to shape it and scrunch all that down. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm gonna keep my button over here, pull it through, and pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. And I'm gonna pull it out, and then separate my ends. And I'm just gonna reposition my button right there. And I'm going to just bring this around, tie it off. Then the next thing that I'm gonna do is just pull it through my choker. And I'm using a headband as a choker, which is kind of a fun idea. And I'm just going to bring this through here. So it's right next to where the seam of the choker is. Then I'm gonna thread it back through on the other side of the seam. And then I'm gonna bring it back to my bow, and I'm just going to tie it off. Then I'm going to take my scissors and just clip this as close to the back as I can without cutting the ribbon or the headband. And so now you have a cute little choker, or you can even double it here and wear it as a bracelet, or you can use it as a choker. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.